welcome back to another video. So I've got a few little bits here that I thought I'd show you before I put it away. Nothing special really, but yeah, I'm just going to show you what I got. First, these are from AliExpress. I don't know if you all notice, when I'm doing sets of nails that I need caviar beads for, I have to tip them all over my kitchen roll, because the caviar beads that I've got in a pot, they're all different bloody sizes, so I have to always sift through them. So I thought, I'm not doing that no more. So I got these packs hoping that all the same sizes would be in different sections, and they are. So I wouldn't need to keep flicking through to find these size or these size. So they're all separate. I'm going to have to order a couple more packs because I'll get through that in no time. Whereas the gold one's got quite a lot in there. The silver one hasn't. But they're only pennies, aren't they? So yeah, I'm really happy with them. I'll get some more of them. Yeah, so there's gold and there's 6 different sizes. And the silver, 6 different sizes. So yeah, I'm really happy with them. I will need some more than that though. So I got those. Oh, I got myself some scissors. My little fancy scissors that I absolutely love, these little scissors. And they were super, super sharp. And stupid divvy that I am, when I was decorating my room, I tried... Laziness, this is what this is, laziness. I tried to open the tin of paint with the tip of my scissors and... yeah, they won't cut no more, they're bent. I'm absolutely gutted I've wrecked them because I love them. I've got that small pair and I've got the big pair. I did originally order these thinking they were small and they turned up huge. So I had to order another mini pair, but I love them. These are super short, but yeah, I've wrecked them. I'm absolutely gutted. I will get some more though. So anyway, story over. I ordered myself some little stork ones. I see everybody with these and I've never had any. And I really like them. They're super, super short. Brilliant for like, you know, like little striping tapes. And yeah, so I got myself some stork scissors. And I thought I won't get them in the standard gold. This has got like a paisley kind of pattern on them. Quite cute, aren't they? So I got those. Oh, I got myself another. This is the third one of these I've had. Let me open it. It's just a dibber dabber. Why can I feel something tickling me? Oh, gives me scissors. Gives me scissors. Yeah, this is the third one of these I've had. I give them all away. And I've only just started realising, actually, no, I need one. So I've got myself another, so it's just, yeah, it's just a dibber dabber. It comes with 2 flat sponges, and these ones have got a teeny weeny little nipple on the end for when you just want to do small ones. So yeah, I got another one of those. Oh, I got myself some of these because I want to have a go at you know, like one stroke flowers and stuff. So these brushes, yeah, they're to create different shaped flowers and stuff on the nails. I've seen them quite a bit, but I've never used them. So when you swipe across the nail, you'll get different like petal shapes and stuff. They look really cool actually, so I might have a play with them in a video and see what we can create. They're only little cheap ones, but for practicing I thought they'd be quite cool, something I've not got. So there's 2, 4, 6, 8 in that pack. So yeah, I like the look of them. We'll have to try them. Right, I've got myself some more nail tips. I've not tried this brand before. I do use their brand of nail glue because I love it. It is brilliant. And I wanted to try some of their tips, but I've just got them in. I've got so many coffin, ballerina, long, extra long. But I haven't got any just short little square ones. I can't show you, but I really like the shape of these. You know, when I just fancy shorter nails. Yeah, they're about the same length as these, but they're square. I love square nails. Nice shape, aren't they? I really liked the look of them. So I thought I'd try some of those. I'm dying to see how big the 0 is. Let's have a look. That's number 1. I love trying the zero on new brands that I've never tried before. I mean, I can't try it over these nails, but I can tell already I think that's going to be a bit small. They are quite flexible though, they are quite soft, I like that. I don't know, it's hard to say, isn't it? But I will give them a go. Yeah, their glue that I use is this one. This one that I got, it's got a really wide bottom and the glue inside it is pink, but it goes on the nail clear and I love it. So hopefully their tips are alright as well. I really like the shape of them, I do. So I'll keep you updated on them, or I might do a video applying them. We shall see. Right, what else did I get? I'll show you this first and this might give you a clue. I ordered these stencils. They're vinyl. They're not like stickers. They're vinyl. Let me get one out. Oh shit, sorry, I weren't expecting that. Yeah, they're are they vinyl? Let me see. Yeah, they're bendy vinyl, reusable. Because you see people using them with, you know, the airbrush guns and stuff. Well, I've only gone and got myself an airbrush, haven't I? I'm going to show you now. So, me, myself, and Nails by Cami have bought it, and we're both going to do a little collab, trying it for the first time. So, let me show you. Look at this. I'm not going to turn it on or anything today because I want to make sure it's fully charged and everything before I use it. So that's the actual sprayer. I will take that off and I'll use this small one because I think these big ones are for painting bigger things, aren't they? But as I'm only going to be painting nails, I'll use this little small one. So you put your paint in there or whatever it is you're using. I've got some special airbrush paints to go in it. So you just put your paint in that and you're good to go. I've never used one. I've always wanted to use one. And you just so I can't wait to have a go with that. I really can't. So yeah, that obviously attaches to the top of that. It's a portable one. Yeah, so I can't wait to have a go with this. That video will be coming up very soon. So that's why I bought stencils. I've got these stencils these ones Just Your Nail Addict sent me. You know, like little ziggy zaggy ones. These are like vinyl as well. They're not like stickers, paper. I could use those. There's these little ones. These are like little stencils. I think these are more for the dibber dabbers though, because if you sprayed on that, you'd get this outline, wouldn't you? So I think they're more for this dibber dabber kind of thing. There's them stencils. And then there's these ones. All different ones that you could use to do a full cover nail. Might try some of them, don't know, we shall see. And also, like them, I've got these, like alphabet and the zigzags and stuff like that. You might be able to use things like those. I think you could definitely use these though, definitely. And what I've also got, bless her little cotton socks, Nails by Cami has sent me some of her stencils. She's a superstar. All these stencils are from Aeropuffing. Cami did a video on. She bought all the special Aeropuffing tools and Aeropuffing paints and loads of stencils. So she chopped them all up and sent me some. So they're hard to see, but there's love hearts, there's clouds, there's flowers, diamonds, and look what's also in here, Mickey heads. Oh, I'll have to do something with them. There's 4-leaf clovers, circles, there's all sorts in here, so I can't wait to have a go with those. Right, lastly guys, one last thing I'm going to quickly show you. I got this sent off a friend actually. She won a giveaway from a young girl called Jojo, I think. Oh, this is the letter. Hi Aggie, I'm sending you half of the mesh I got from Jojo. Yeah, she won it in a giveaway from Jojo. I know you liked it and I'll never use it all myself. So Nails by Sue, she's got a YouTube channel. I'll leave it in my description box. Yeah, she won a giveaway, and in this giveaway was all these different colour meshes. And she sent me one of each colour. I've put them in these bags because I'm so OCD. I needed them all separate and, you know. So yeah, they're just meshing. They look really, really cool, encapsulated. I've actually got an orange one that I did an autumn set with last year. And I really liked it, so I said to her, when I watched her giveaway winnings, I said, will you ask Jojo where she got that mesh from? I'd love some. And Sue said, I'll send you some. And I hate that because you get some right tramps out there that say to people, oh, where did you get that? I want some. But what they really want is you to send them some. But I didn't mean it like that. I genuinely wanted to buy some. You all know the people I'm talking about, don't you? Oh, can I have the link to that? Where did you get them? They're beautiful. I want some of them. Oh, this is the best one. I need some of them in my life. Yeah. Anyway, guys. I think that's it. Is that it? Oh, no, it's not. I got a couple more builder gels. This one I'm really, really happy with. I'm really enjoying these Venalisa builder gels. So this is soft pink. I've already swatched it. Beautiful colour, isn't it? I love the consistency of it. It's quite a runny builder. I do prefer my runny builders. And that's the colour there. It's a beautiful, beautiful colour. I really, really like it. I really do like it. Right. And I thought I'm going to start trying these canny ones because they're meant to be amazing quality. Cover pink I ordered, guys. Cover pink. Do you want to see the colour of it? I'm well pissed off with this actually because these are not cheap at all. Cover pink. Let me just show you again. Cover pink. Look at it. It is dark brown. That has not got no shade of pink in that, has it? It's dark brown. But do you know what I'm going to do? Because, oh, I tipped it upside down like a dick, didn't I? I can't use that look. Dark, dark brown. It's ugly. So, what I will do is, I'm going to put some white pigment powder in that. See if I can lighten it. Because I won't use that. I won't use that. The colour it is like that. It is brown, horrible, baba shit colour. So yeah, I'm going to put some white pigment in it or white gel polish. I haven't decided yet. And I'm going to lighten it because I can't do nothing with it anyway. This one I'm over the moon with. I'm going to get all of these colours because I'm steering more towards gel than builder gels at the minute. Love that one. Anyway, that is it, isn't it? Is that it? Yeah, that's it, guys. Anyway, I'm going. Yeah, I'm going. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Links to everything will be in my description box. If there's anything missing, just ask me, I'll get it for you. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Did I just say that? Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Hit your notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care. Bye.